Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So these are the assets that we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So this is GainX 1200, and of course this had been on a very strong downtrend. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Let me first tell you my time frame, and I'm using a custom made indicator on this chart. So if you're having, you can go ahead and follow up with my analysis. Okay, so this had been on downtrend for a very long time. It got to this support zone, and we hope that it will not break out from there. It finally broke out from there, and which means this is still going to sell more. It will keep on selling until it gets to the next support zone. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's move on to GainX 999. Still on 15-minute time frame. This is GainX 999, and of course GainX 999 it's actually played around there for a while, broke out below the support zone to get to a new support zone, and right now it's trying to switch into an uptrend. We don't know if this is going to go into an uptrend fully, because it had been selling right from here. And of course, if it goes into an uptrend fully, you can jump into the trade around here and try as much as possible to set your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, so that in case it decides to misbehave and go back to break out below the support zone, then you're not going to lose a lot from your capital. You're just going to, it's going to take a little out of your capital. However, these are the highlighted TPs which you can take advantage of if it goes fully into an uptrend. So this is I'm going to pick more of a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it will not buy. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. PayNext 1200 had been on downtrend right from here. We actually milked this particular asset, and it even sold more till it got to this support region. So now that it has gotten to this support region, I think we can rearrange it right now. Let's set our entry point and our stop loss. So this is going to be because it's played around there for a while, so I'm going to put our new entry point somewhere here. So if it gets to this region, it's going to pick it up and it's going to buy for a very long time. But if it does not, it will come back to the stop loss, to the support zone, and break out below it and keep on selling. Okay, so right now we have an opportunity to place our order. The order has not been activated yet because we just placed it. And of course, I'm going to set my first TP somewhere here. Then the second TP should be somewhere here. Okay, then right from there, if it breaks out from there, then definitely we can have the third TP and the fourth one around here, and let's see the fifth one. Yeah, okay, this is good. This is now the sixth one. So this is another opportunity for us, but that is if this is activated. Okay, and if it does not break out below the support zone, and that is why we have our stop loss here. Okay, so that is good, and that is a good buy for us for PayNext 1200. And of course, the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. I actually analyzed this particular asset earlier today, and of course I told us that this had been on downtrend right from here, and it is playing around there for a while, that it's most likely for it to break out below this support part, of the channel, and of course it has done that and it is still selling right from there. So this is a very good one for us. Okay, so this is a selling opportunity for each and every one of us. Now the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. I also explained about FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on a very strong downtrend, and it got to this support zone this time around, and I said we need to be sure if it's going to go into buy trend fully, and that is if it does not break out below the support zone. And as you can see, it's actually bought till it got to this particular resistance zone. Okay, it was respected there and it's trying to respect it again, and this can also be a pullback. Okay, the pullback, if it is a pullback, I expect it to come to an end somewhere here. Okay, and it will go back up and see if it can break out above this. Okay, so this is very, very important. I actually expect more of a buying opportunity from this particular asset. That is if the pullback does not go beyond this. Okay, so if the pullback goes beyond this, then definitely it's going to sell more and may make an attempt on this particular support region. Okay, so I still expect more buying opportunity even though it is having a pullback around there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, but before you can jump into it and buy, make sure it is done with the pullback and it is giving you an uptrend signal and a buy signal on the charts before you jump into it. As you can see, this is changing at the moment, so because of the pullback. So once it is done with the pullback, I'll make sure all the necessary signals are given before you jump into the trade. So that is very, very important. So that is all we have for today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.